Hi everyone, this is Lori Whitlock, and I wanted to show you really quick how to put together the curved top ribbon tie treat box that I have in my SVG shop and at the Silhouette Design Store. So I have the pieces cut out. There's a little circle and a little label piece and then your main box. It's all one piece and it doesn't require any glue. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and fold on all those score lines. So these two long sides we'll fold all the way across, and go ahead and use a bone folder and just burnish those in nice. And then if you'll notice, it's kind of hard to see on this pattern, but on the back side maybe you can see better. There's a little score line that goes from each of those folds, and we're actually going to fold that in. So don't go all the way to the edge, just go to those score lines that you just folded. Okay, and then at those score lines, we're going to switch directions. You can see that we have a little triangle that forms here and a little piece that pops in. So that's kind of the shape that we're getting there on the sides. Okay, and let's do that on all four of those corners. So fold that in, and then as you pull that up, this little angle in here forms so that your side can pull up and look like this. Isn't that cute? Little triangle on the side. So we just need to do that to the other side as well. Let's fold that triangle shape in. And there you have it. This is a simple little box to fold. The sides will come up and hold the box together, and now we just have to put some ribbon in and it'll hold the box together. It makes a really cute little favor box for maybe a wedding or party. And just feed your ribbon right through there. And then we'll just tie a little bow. And as you pull that nice and tight, those sides come in. You can just pull those down and form a cute little bow. Look how cute that is. We'll just trim off those edges. And then we just need to put on our little label. To do that, you're just going to use a little adhesive behind that dot and just center that. And then I've got a little pop dot here. We'll just use that on the back of our label. And put that on our box. And if you're wondering about the paper that I'm using my new Echo Park Forward with Faith collection. This is the floral print, and I've just used, it's double-sided, so I've cut all the pieces from one piece of paper other than the little white circle, and then I just flipped the little label over. Look how fun that is. So you have a darling little favor box that you could use for a wedding or a party. I hope you enjoy making these, and have a great day, and we'll see you next time.